So, I want to talk to you about your Markup Markdown project. I'm just going to read through this and then show you the slideshow that you can update. So, directions. You must create an outfit consisting of at least 5 items from any website. These need to be school and age appropriate. You will create a presentation for your project with Google Slides. The following things must be included: a website for each item, a picture of the item. You're going to start with the original price, and if it is already on sale, calculate the percentage. If not, use the percent dice to roll a discount for your item. Calculate the new subtotal for the item displaying the discount. Now apply Tennessee sales tax 9.25% to find the total purchase amount of each item. Add up all the original price values and apply the Tennessee sales tax to the original cost. After you have taken the discount off of each item and added tax, total up the whole amount of your purchase. Now, find a credit card you would like to use to buy your outfit. Link a website to where you found the interest rate for the credit card. Include the price for the final purchase after 1 month of interest. All work must be shown and labeled. So you have these instructions. There's also a rubric, which is a scoring guide. You can earn 1, 2, or 3 points for each of these, and I'm going to let you look over that yourself. I'm not going to go through each of those. This is in your packet on page 39. The rubric will also be on this document that I'm going to share on the page, so you'll have it there as well electronically. So here's the PowerPoint that you will be updating. You will start by putting your name here. And here's a link to the percentage dice if you need that. What you can do is put the location or the website for where you found the clothing item. You can put that in the speaker notes, or this might be better, just right here at this website part. Okay, you're going to have a picture of the item, the original price, the discount amount, the discounted price, the price with tax. And remember that you are using that tax rate here. And if it's already on sale, you're going to calculate the percentage. If it's not already on sale, then you're going to use the dice to roll a discount for your item. So, for example, maybe I'm going to go to Old Navy. Okay, maybe I'm going to look for a shirt. Okay, flannel shirt. Okay, so you can see right here, this one, I would need to go ahead and take a percent off because it's not, the price listed is not the sale price. But here, this is the sale price. Well, this one. This sale price is already listed. So what I would need to do is find out how much is the discount that's already been applied. But for this one, I could either use their 30% discount and calculate the new price, or if it didn't have a price that would be taken off, then I could use this dice. Here's how it works. You just hit roll again. So then I would take off 79%. Which is not really realistic, but for the purpose of this project, that's what we would do. So this is be clothing item number 1. Then you would go 2, 3, 4. You have your totals here. Your complete outfit. This is the original price. Bold that. Underline it. Nope. Original price. And then you would have the complete outfit, the sale price. Here's some math. I'm going to buy with a credit card. So you're supposed to determine the cost after 1 month. And as we're thinking about our interest formula, the time there is calculated in years. So this would be 1 month is a fraction of a year. So let's think about that. And your teacher may decide not to make you do the credit card piece right now. We may come back to that. But that is your project. So have fun. Make sure that it is school appropriate with all of your selections. And reach out if you have questions.